Okay, this is another word problem, and if you're watching this video, it means you made a mistake, and a lot of times the setup in the word problems is the hard part. So we're going to set this up, then we're going to solve it, and then we're going to match it to a graph. So let's begin. It says, on a trip from Buffalo, New York to St. Augustine, Florida, a family wants to travel at least 250 miles in the first 5 hours of driving. What should their average speed be in order to meet this goal? Okay, so we know that we want to get at least 250 miles. Okay, that's the big part of it. At least means more than or equal to it, okay? So we've got 250. We need to have a number that is bigger than or equal to it. Okay, that's the important part. At least, more than or equal to. And then we have 5 hours of driving. We're looking for the speed for each hour. Okay, so 5 hours. So we have distance times rate. So we've got 5 hours. We can use x, h, whatever you want. So we know that 5 times x has to be greater than 250 miles. Okay. So from here, we need to get x by itself, now that we've set it up. So we simply divide by 5. Nothing too tricky in solving this problem. Our 5s go away. 250 divided by 5 is 50. And here x represented their speed. So we need to go at least 50 miles per hour. Okay. So let's see which graph looks like that. When we're looking here below, we can eliminate C and D right away. C says all speeds are okay, and that's not true. If you go less than 50 miles per hour, you will not hit your goal. And D says no speeds are okay, and we can easily go fast enough. There's plenty of answers. So we look at the next ones, and they both have 50, and they're both changed to the right, which is great. But notice here that A does not include 50 miles per hour. And since we're using at least, that means we can go 250 miles. We want to include 50 as our answer. We can drive 50 miles per hour, but you can go a little bit faster if you want. So A is not correct, but B is our solution.